Firstly, the cleaning equipment removes impurities such as dust, stones, or other unwanted particles from the rotted seeds. This step ensures the quality of the final product by preventing contamination. Following this, the crushed seeds are then processed in a steam cooker, where they are heated under controlled conditions. This step is crucial for altering the structure of the seeds, enhancing oil yield, and sterilizing the material. After cooking, the material moves to the screw press. Subsequently, the crude oil undergoes filtration using advanced filtering systems to remove solid residues and impurities. Finally, the refining unit performs processes such as degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization to produce clear. Each component of the production line plays an essential role, ensuring that the final product meets both quality standards and market demand. Modern seed oil production lines often incorporate automation and energy-saving technologies, further improving efficiency and reducing operational costs. With these advancements,